Editing your images is often as much about cropping and reframing as it is getting the colours right. Here we're going to show you a few really quick edits that are going to get your pictures looking straight and dialed in just a few seconds. Wonky images are the bane of every photographer's existence. It happens all the time, sometimes even when we're shooting on tripods. It's so easy to do. You can line an image up absolutely flat and perfect, and then just as you press the shutter release, the whole camera moves very slightly and you end up with a frame where everything's rolling downhill. Luckily, it's a really easy fix. All we're going to do is head to crop and rotate, and we get this little scale complete with degree markings on it of how much we're changing and rotating the image. And all we need to do is press on that and turn, and the image rotates. It also zooms to make sure that it stays the same shape as it was previously. And all we're looking to do is get our horizon exactly parallel with any of these grid lines that appear when we start rotating, which I would say is just about there. We hit the check mark, and there we go, a flat image with nothing rolling downhill. Cropping your images can often be the final step that really pushes them over the top and gets them exactly as you want them to look. It's also a really great chance to get your images the right shape for social media. Instagram, for example, wants square images. So here we've got loads of abstract potential in our subject, and what we'll do is shoot straight down, but it's the crop that's going to make this image look really interesting. This edit is all about getting rid of these straggly spare bits in our image and coming away with something that looks uniform and well put together. So we'll hit crop, and what we're looking to do here is convert our image to a square shape so that it fits on Instagram. 1:1 is what we're looking for. What that means is that for every 1 pixel along the frame goes, you go 1 pixel up, and the result is a square shot that crops out these awkward corners at the top and gives us something that's nice and parallel. Voila, there we have a really interesting, eye-catching, bright, uniform and well put together frame that's going to fit perfectly on social media.